What's up guys, this is Nick at Stridewise.com and this is a short video today. I just got two brand new boot models from Red Wing. So I didn't just get new boots, these are new kinds of boots Red Wing just started selling. And they reached out to me and asked if I wanted a pair, and I said yes. So a lot of people are curious about these new types of boots Red Wing is selling. So let's open up the box and see what we got. This is very exciting. This is the Red Wing, the 8863. So this is a moc toe. I think it's fair to say that Red Wing is king of the American moc toe boot. And what's interesting about this is that this is a new type of leather from Red Wing. So it's the same moc toe you all know and love, but it's a brand new leather that has never been released before. And what's extra interesting about this leather, which is called Slate, is that this is a rough out leather. So you can see it's like kind of fuzzy here. And so a lot of people really like rough out because it's very hard wearing. What rough out is, like the leather turned inside out, basically. This is the flesh side of the hide. And it makes it very hard wearing. It's not suede, it looks a little bit like suede, but suede is like split and it's thinner and it's more delicate. Rough out leather is like, it was used on soldiers' boots in World War II. It's like famously very, very tough and gets like a nice sort of patina with age. I've got a pair of Red Wing Rovers that I got a while ago in rough out. And as you can see, as it gets worn in, it gets really like kind of extra dark in certain spots and also like extra fuzzy as well. It really sort of depends. Like on the other side of this boot, it's nowhere near as fuzzy as it is on the inside of the boot. But yeah, in either case, I'm very excited to see how these wear in. So I've got a trip coming to LA coming up in California, and I'm gonna be wearing these boots as much as I can to try and get like a nice patina, and then I'm gonna do a full proper review for you guys so you can see what these boots look like on feet and also after like a couple months of wear. This is a new model of boot. This is a new type of boot from Red Wing. This is, I believe it's called the Classic Chelsea. This one here is the 3192 Chelsea boot. And this is in Hawthorne Muleskinner. So this is also rough out leather. I got two rough out leathers from Red Wing. And it's the exact same leather as I have on the Rover here. So as you can see, again, the Rover gets, this Hawthorne Muleskinner leather gets really beat up after a while and gets in like a nice patina. This is newer, but I'm really excited to see how it wears in. So this is a new model of boot, right? It is the Classic Chelsea. Red Wing is like unusually low on Chelseas as a brand. They've come out with plenty of Chelseas in the past. The Chelsea Rancher is a lot like this one, but it has the classic like Vibra mini lug sole that you see on like the Red Wing Blacksmith and the Iron Ranger. But this is a new addition to their lineup of boots, and this has a wedge sole on the outside, much like the Red Wing Moc Toe as well. So this is a nice hard wearing, I believe it's a crepe sole, like crepe rubber, and they've actually got three different leathers for this one. So I picked up this one, the Hawthorne Muleskinner, because I wanted to get another chance at wearing these boots, and also I've got like a vaguely Western themed event that I have to go to soon, and I thought like Hawthorne Muleskinner would look cool for that. But they've also got this boot in amber harness, which is the very famous leather that's on their, probably best known for their 8111 model, the Iron Ranger. That's like the classic leather for the classic Red Wing boot. I've got a pair myself, and they've also got it in a black leather as well. So I decided to go the Hawthorne Muleskinner, but if you head over to Red Wing, you can get any of these leathers for these boots. This isn't a sponsored video, by the way. I probably should have asked them to pay me for it because I'm just sitting here promoting Red Wing for free, but I really like Red Wing. So I've got links to both of these boots in the description below. I'm gonna wear them both really, really hard all summer, and then I'm gonna get some full videos for you guys. But for now, I hope you enjoy these new boots.